Today, we're going to show you how to make these. No, they're not hot dogs. They're Carolina bird dogs. Stick around. We'll show you how to make them. Okay, so we got our chicken breast cut up into strips. And so we're going to go ahead now and get them seasoned up, get them in the egg wash, which looks like that's egg wash with some seasoning already in it. So we'll do a little egg wash, put them in some flour, and then we're going to fry them up. Now, however you normally fry your chicken, do whatever you want to do. This is the way we like to do ours. And we're just going to make some chicken strips out of it. So we'll have something to start the bird dogs off with. Get these things fried up. Now, a classic bird dog usually has fried chicken on it. But hey, you ain't got to do everything the way it's always supposed to be done. So we're going to do some barbecue chicken to make on our bird dog sandwich. So we're going to get out here and get these finished up. Got some grilled chicken strips, barbecue sauce on them. Let these finish cooking. And we're going to put them on a bird dog sandwich. So let's close it down and let them cook. Well, we got the chicken all fried up. Now we got to fry some bacon because you got to have some crumbled bacon to put on these bird dogs. So let's go ahead and fry the bacon up and get it all ready. We're going to get it fried up and then we're going to get it all crumbled up. We're just going to throw it in the same grease that the chicken was in. Hey, it's all going to be on the same sandwich. So let's get it all fried up, then we'll crumble it up. We'll get to putting this thing together. Okay, we have everything cooked up and ready to put together. We got our fried chicken. We got some barbecue chicken. We got some Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. So you can use any kind of cheese you want. We got some bacon that we crumbled up, fried and got it all crumbled up. And got some honey mustard. So let's put it together. Let's do one fried and one barbecued. Let's do that. Let's put a chicken strip on one of the buns. Alright. We're going to put some honey mustard on there now. Use whatever kind of honey mustard you like. Some like certain kinds. Alright, now we're going to sprinkle some bacon over that. Now, a lot of people out there, a lot of y'all probably love a lot of bacon. Hey, use as much as you want. Don't use the bacon bits or the stuff that's on the salad aisle. Get some real bacon and fry it up and crumble it. That's the only way to do this. All right, let's put some cheese on it now. Got the baby in the back ready to eat. We're going too slow. He's ready for some food. All right, and there is a Carolina bird dog. And that's how you do one. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you think. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the fun of where we might go, what we might do, or what we might see or even cook. You never know. And be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Check us out next time.